Good morning, Philippines! Char Philippines. Ayan ang aking asawa. B! I will start na my vlog. You want to join me?
But my phone is done.
Yeah, because pasaway ka, I told you to buy at least one iPhone. It takes years for you to use. Redmi. Okay, every year you change. But for me, how many years I use my Redmi? 5 years. It's about how you use. Okay. Hello. I will change the bed sheet today.
Same.
Yay. So big now your face, baby. What
Yeah,
happened?
from the slip.
After the sleep. You're gaining weight for sleep. So mag-change tayo ng bed sheet today. Okay. Set ko lang ang aking camera. Yan. With landers pa. Nakarating pa dito si Landers. Okay. Yan. So, dito guys, libre kami ng bedsheet. Mag-change every 1 week. Pero every 2 weeks kami nag-change kasi meron kaming extra na bedsheet from Pinas. Okay, so let's see. Unboxing. Baba! Mag-unboxing tayo guys kasi mag-change lang naman tayo ng bedsheet. So they call this patakya. This is for the floor. For the floor. Pero kasi-change ko lang eh. So, itabi ko na lang muna to kasi kasi-change ko lang. Tabi ko lang to for the next week. Kasi-change ko lang kahapon. Hindi ko sinama. So, meron din silang towels. So, depende yun kung ilan kayo. Siyempre kami couple. So, they give us 2. Saan yung isa? Ginamit niya na kahapon. Bilis naman ito. Ginamit niya na yung isa. So, sabi ko antayin kasi mag-vlog ako, char. Tapos, meron din 2 small towels. Tapos, meron din 2 small towels. Yan. 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 So, free na kami ng laba dito also. Pag mga ganito, ibibigay mo lang sa kanila. So, papalitan nila ng bago. So, ito, punda. Ano ba English ng punda? Pillow cover. And bedsheet. Ayan. 4 to. Yung isa, na-open ko na. So, ayan. Magpapalit tayo. Pero wala akong mag-vlog. Ito na lang. Yeah, let's start. Ang ganda kaya ng room namin, guys. Tapos, work kami kasi may air condition din. Kasi yung iba dito sa coast, yung mga dati namin, siguro ito yung pinaka-best na accommodation namin. Ito yung pinaka-best na na-receive namin na accommodation. So, thank you, Odsy. Okay. So, change. Lahat ng rooms ganito dito. Ito yung rooms namin. Nakalimutan ko pala maggawa ng video room tour, no? Housekeeping ko guys para di ako sanay magpalit ng bedsheet. Kasi di naman ako dun talaga na-assign. Pero madali lang dito compare sa iba hotel. Sorry guys, madami kaming kalat. Kasi palapit na ang season. Nag-start na ako ligpit-ligpit. Marami kaming gamit na dadalhin from Pinas. So, need namin bumili ng isa pang maleta. Ay, ito na yung aking husband.
International Day for the Animals today.
Ah,
Happy birthday, Arapla.
what kind of animals?
Bird.
Bird?
Bird.
Bird or kunili?
Oh, no, my bird.
Don't say rabbit, ah.
No, my bird.
Pero asawa ko, binati ba naman ako, guys? National Animal daw day. Ah, your wife is animal, ah. Ang palining mo na mo. Ah, day pala ni Milo. But you're so bad to me. Okay, baby, pasaway ka. You will destroy my...
Put something down. Put something down.
Huh?
One paper, something to not.
Running
Don't
na.
think about it.
Tampalinin mo na. Bebe, go no to buy something. Nandito na ako. Open natin yung lights para maganda yung lightning. Char. Yan. Oh, tarik. Instead, you're helping me, Mitch. Buru. Bango. Free din kami ng laundry. Merong washing na pre-provide sila pag gusto namin maglaba. So, wala na kami problemahin. Last season, pinapalaba pa namin yun. 7 euros pa naman. Baka tumaas pa nga. Dito wala kami problemahin. Pero minsan lang din naman ako magpa-laundry kasi hina-handwash ko yung aking uniform. Tinatamad kasi ako medyo malayo yung laundry. So, pinapa-handwash ko yung uniform. My God, di ako ganun kagaling mag-change. Ay. Iba naman itong housekeeping na to.